Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm talking about IT Inception and what is IT Inception and what is the benefit of IT Inception course. So before start, see this amazing video.
What if you could make money with technology? Wouldn't that be totally cool? Introducing IT Inception. Make money by providing a valuable, genuine local service and get paid $60 to $100 per customer. IT Inception teaches you how to run a real business that can make you easy cash profits right away. The best part is you can start this business for less than $100. Anyone can run this business. I started this business when I was 13 years old and I've been running it ever since. Join us today and get access to over 75 high-quality training modules, along with an exclusive Facebook group and one-on-one support and live training calls with the product creator. And get this, all that for just $12.95. That's half the price of a pizza. We're insane for practically giving this away. What are you waiting for? Our price is going to increase to $97 after our launch special. Join IT Inception today and become one of the many people who have started prospering as a result of our training.
This brand new training you will teach a real way to make money with technology, start a successful local business venture, build up a real cash, and many more things. How to automate 90% of the work. See this amazing result from a customer who already used IT Inception course. So what you are going to learn inside in IT Inception: how to start a profitable business, build up a real valuable assets, get automatic customer for free, how to scale this business, enjoy easy continuous profits. So if you buy this product, what you will learn inside in this product. So first part of this product is high quality step-by-step training videos, over 70 plus training videos and step-by-step format and live training included. In second part you will get cheat sheet, all in one cheat sheet, proven success blueprint, business launches formula, easy to follow and get on money from them, and available in different format like PDF or Google Docs. In third part of this course you will get live training calls and workshop from instructor side, meet like-minded members and weekly live training calls and access to Gabriel groups. And that's not all. Get 1 hour one-to-one training with instructor. You have any doubts or question and ask to instructor, and so follow this 4 step and make easy profit. Launch your business, set up your marketing mind, get your first customer, scale and grow your business. See this amazing result. We already use this IT Inception course and earn money from them. See this review by customer. One more. So here a quick recap of what you will get inside in this course. High quality step-by-step training videos, 70 plus video training and all in one cheat sheet, exclusive private Facebook group for our members, and one-to-one live training with instructor. If you have any doubts and question, to ask to instructor and solve this question or doubts. So if you buy this course from my link, you will get 5 bonus. As mentioned is here 3 bonus. I will get 5 bonus with free. So 3 bonus from instructor side and 2 bonus from my side. So first bonus from instructor side is how to build a stunning speech page with Elementor. Second bonus from instructor side is buyer list ninja, how to build an email list of buyers. And third bonus is how to create a stunning YouTube thumbnails for free. And 2 bonus from my side. See this amazing bonus from my side. The first is exclusive internet marketing interview. Second is SEO ranking king. Third is how to build a squeeze page with Elementor and a buyer list ninja. And one more, 6-figure website design agency. Second is marketing magician. Third is email marketing epicness. And fourth one is social media slate. This IT Inception course, after purchase you will see this screen and you will learn this topic inside in this IT Inception course. The first is course introduction, second is setting up your business, third is marketing your business, fourth one is dealing with customer, fifth one is tools needed for the trade, computer parts and component explain, and many more things. See here, and with bonus of 3 bonus, and I will give you 2 bonus free from my link, my side. So buy now. So first part of this course, first is course introduction. Inside in course introduction, see this topic, you will learn inside in this topic. Second, in setting up your business, you will learn these topics: how to build a website, how to build your business to grow, and many more things. So see this topic, learn from course, and you will get huge profit from your business. So if you buy this product from my link, you will get 3 bonus from instructor side and 2 bonus from my side. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will put this link on description section, so buy it from there. Thank you. Good luck.